In this video, I'll show you how to sell tours on TripAdvisor. So what we're going to do is go to TripAdvisor's website. That could be .com, .co.za, .uk, depending on where you are situated. And on their home screen, what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down till you see Do Business with Us and click on Owners. In here, you want to type your business name, and if yours doesn't pop up, add a missing place. Now you can fill out this form completely and create a listing, but the best option would be to click on I own a tour company. That'll bring you to Viator. Now here on Viator, you need to choose which option describes your tour. So I'm just going to choose supplier. I don't actually have a tour company. And we're going to click on Get Started. Now here you need to either create a new account, or you're going to put in your TripAdvisor email, the email again, just to confirm you typed it correctly, and then your TripAdvisor password, and hit Create Account. Once you do that, you'll be brought to this form. And all we need to do is answer some simple questions here. Again, I don't have an actual tour, so I won't be able to complete this form, but you will answer all the questions that align with your tour. So since we don't have a listing, we will type no, or if we do, we'll type yes. So for instance, do you have a listing? Yes or no? If not, then you're going to fill out the next section of the form and put in all the listing information, photos, and so forth, as well as important private information, and go through verification on the last step. And that's all there is to it. I hope that gets you in the right direction. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.